Meaning of Idaho.
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 Idaho. The name Idaho comes from a Kiowa Apache word Idaho, which means enemy or the sun comes from the mountains in Shoshone language. It was first adopted as the name of the territory in 1863 and later became the 43rd state of the United States in 1890. Idaho is known for its scenic mountains, lakes, and outdoor recreational opportunities, including skiing, hiking, and fishing. It is also a major producer of potatoes and other agricultural products. The state motto is Esto Perpetua, which means, let it be perpetual.